So how can you share photos from Android to iPhone using Quick Share? Let me explain that and show you how it would work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So on the Samsung, or Android devices have the Quick Share, whereas iPhones have AirDrop. Similar technologies, but they don't work between each other. Then you can see that if you open up the gallery on your Samsung or Android phone, you can share, but the Quick Share doesn't look up the iPhones. In order to fix that, the way that it could work would be by getting an app from both the App Store as well as the Google Play Store, which is designed to make this work. A great app for this is one called Send Anywhere. So if you have this app installed on all of your devices on iPhone and Android, you can then grab your Samsung or Android phone, click on a photo or select a few, tap share, and use the Send Anywhere app to send the photos over. So when you click this, it's going to basically generate the code or a shareable link with a QR code. So we have the 6-digit number code, which you can then type into the iPhone. So on the iPhone, you open up the Send Anywhere app. You will basically click on receive and you can type in that number right there. And as long as the connection is right, the photos should move over easily. And it doesn't matter that it's between the different platforms or devices. So that is how I would personally do it, and it works well for me. I've been using it for quite some time now, so let me know if it also worked out well for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you in the future uploads.